Mendoza from Fantasies Hair Salon, and today I'm going to share with you some tips and techniques on how to make your own hair gel. Today we will be using a burner, a pot, tongs, measuring cups, vitamin E oil, a jar, water, flax seeds, and a pantyhose. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in 2 cups of water and 1/4 of flax seeds. Mix them in together and have it boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring as time goes by. In the meantime, while your water is boiling, you can apply your nylon into the jar and secure it with a rubber band. And this is going to be where the excess seeds will hold so that they don't go into your hair gel. So as your flax seeds start boiling up, you want to add a little bit of vitamin E oil and just mix it in. Let it cool, and we will be pouring it into our jar. So basically the nylon is going to hold the flax seeds so that you just get the nice liquidy stuff into your jar. Now take the nylon and lift it up. And squeeze all the excess liquid with some tongs. So now you're just going to let the liquid dry off, and then you will have nice homemade gel. I'm Linda Mendoza, and I just shared with you some tips and techniques on how to make your own hair gel.